Hello student, today all of us have to study to find prime numbers between 100 and 200 under the topic playing with numbers। यहाँ पे हमें फाइंड करना है प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 100 एंड 200। 100 से लेकर 200 के बीच में जो नंबर्स दी गई है प्राइम नंबर्स है। In this way we know that 14 into 14 less than 200 because the value of 14 into 14 into 14 4 4 जा 16 4 4 जा 4 जा 4 1 5 1 4 जा 4 1 जा 1 6 9 196 the value of this is 196 it is less than 200 because the value of 14 into 14 is 196 this is but 15 into 15 the value of this is 75 225 15 into 15 is equal to 225 this is greater than 200 if any number that lies between 100 to 200 जो नंबर 100 और 200 के बीच में for that so we apply the following the number which is located between 100 and 200 for that we have to apply this the given number will be a prime number तो 100 और 200 नंबर के बीच में जो नंबर दी गई है वो प्राइम नंबर होगी because here you have to test the prime number if it is not divisible by any prime number less than 15 अगर वो 15 से कम जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं अगर उससे प्राइम नॉट डिविजिबल बाय एनी प्राइम नंबर 15 के नीचे जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं अगर उससे डिविजिबल नहीं होगी तो वो प्राइम नंबर है इफ एनी नंबर दैट लाइज बिटवीन 100 to 200 if that is not divisible by all the prime numbers less than 15 then the number will be prime number अगर कोई नंबर 100 और 200 के बीच में है अगर वो 15 से कम जितने भी प्राइम नंबर हैं अगर वो उनसे डिविजिबल नहीं होगी तो वो प्राइम नंबर है let's we have to show this with the help of example 179 solution first 179 you have to test given number 179 the divisibility test the divisibility of by each other test the divisibility of all the prime numbers all the prime numbers means less than 2 3 5 7 11 30 so 179 179 is not divisible by any of these. It is not divisible by 2 because once this is not 2. 3 it is not divisible by 3 because when we add all the sum of it 1 plus 7 plus 9 17 it is not divisible by 3 and unit place is not 0 or 5 so it will be not divisible by 5 7 it is also not divisible by 7 and 11 it is not 9 1 10 10 minus 7 equal to 3. This is not divisible by 11 and it is not also divisible by 30. So we find that 179 is a prime number, is not divisible by any of them. 179 is not divisible. So we find that 179 is not divisible by any of them. Any of them. Here 179 is not divisible by any of them because 179 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30. So hence 179 is a prime number. Prime number. In this way, you can test the number which is located between 100 to 200 is a prime number or not. If the number is not divisible by all the prime numbers less than 15, then that is called prime. Let's try the option B. Second, 139. Here 139. Test the divisibility of divisibility of 139 by each prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30 because all the numbers should be below less than 50. So 139 is not divisible by 2 because unit place is not 2, 0, 4, 6, 8. 3 sum of digit 1 plus 3 plus 9 30. Sum of digits is also not divisible by 3, so it will be not divisible by 3. Now divisibility of 5, unit place is not 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. 5, 7. It is not also divisible by 7. 39, 7. 7 is 7, 6. 7 9 is 16. 3 is remainder. So it is not divisible by 7. 11. Sum of odd place 1, 3. 9, 1, 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. It is not 0 or multiples of 11, so it is not divisible by 0. And it is not also divisible by 13. 13 1 13, 9 will be remainder. So it is not divisible by 1. We find that 139 is not divisible by any of them. We find that 139 is not divisible by any of them. इसमें से किसी से डिवाइड करें, hence 139 is a prime number. Now test 3. Third option is 193. 193. We test the divisibility of 193. That we test the divisibility of 193 by test the divisibility of 193 by the prime numbers, by the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30 because less than. So we test 193. 193. It is not divisible by 2 because unit place is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 9, 3, 12, 12, 1, 13. 1 plus 9 plus 3, 13. Sum of digits is 30. So it is not divisible by 3. Unit place is not 0 or 5. So it will not be divisible by 5. 7. That's a 7. Testing. 5. Here is reminder. So it is not divisible by 7. 9, 7. So 11. Sum of unit place 2. 9, 3, 1, 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. It is not 0. It is neither 0 or the multiples of 11. So it is not divisible by 11. 13. 13. It is also not divisible by 13 because 13 was the 13. 13. So it is not divisible by 13. We find that 193 is not divisible by any of them. Hence 193 is a prime number. In this way, you can test any prime number which is located between 100 to 200. That the given number is prime number or not by following this rule. Now test for 170. Test the divisibility of 117 by prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30. Here 117. It is not divisible by 2 because unit place is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 3. Sum of digits 1 plus 1 plus 7. 1, 1, 2, 7, 2, 9. 7 to 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 is 9. So 117 is divisible by 3. 117 is divisible by 3. 3. It is divisible by 3. And 117 is not divisible by 5 because this is not neither 0 or 5, and it is not divisible by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 4 7, 7 6 ja 4, 5. So it is not divisible by 7. And 11, sum of even plus 1. 8 plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. It is not neither 0 or multiples of 11. So test 13. 13 9 ja 170. 13 9 ja 170. So it is divisible by 3 as well as we find that 117 is divisible by 3 and 13. We find that 30 is divisible by 3 and 30. So hence 170 is not a prime number. In this way, all of us have learned how to take the prime numbers lies between 100 to 200 by following the rules. If the given numbers that lies between 100 to 200 and the number between prime number, if that is divisible by all the prime numbers, that is not divisible by all the prime numbers less than 50. If the number is divisible by any prime numbers less than 15, that will be not a prime number. So I think all of you have understood this, and all of you can check any number that lies between 100 to 200, either prime number or not. So it is sufficient for today, and you can solve this type of question from your exercise group. So it is sufficient for today, and you see next video, next topics. Thanks for today.